Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to recover the notepad that you recently closed and not saved. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the search icon over here at the bottom left and search for percentage app data percentage. And now just simply select the file folder. And now from here, search roaming over here and search for .txt. And from here, guys, this is the best option that you have. And you should be able to see here all of the file of your text. And from here, just try to find your text file over here. And now, if you don't find it, guys, what you could try to do for the second method is just simply go for the location of the folder that your text is saved. And now from here, just simply right click on it and you could just simply go ahead and go for the properties, and you will have here previous versions. So now here on the previous version, this is the best option that you have as well. And from here, you could just simply open the text file and you should be able to see it over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.